Burabu Technical Training Institute iskuru jobo bundi yijosemi chekerero na magendero bakwili ya chisemo asinsemo ya Computing and Informatics Department mbabuate ICT Computer Programming Cyber Security Buigo Digital Animation and Media asinsemo ya Building and Civil Engineering Department mbabuate Plumbing Building Technology asinsemo ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department mbabuate Electrical Engineering Power Option Electronics Buigo Telecommunication asinsemo ya Institutional Management Department Nkurubari Fashion Design and Clothing Technology Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy asinsemo ya Health Science Department mbabuate Health Records IT na Community Health asinsemo ya Business Studies mbabuate Human Resource Business Management na Supply Chain.
Inje Samarita Dr. Were Mumanyi, the principal Burabu Technical Training Institute. Burabu Technical Training Institute igere Nyamira County, Kebirigo Market. Burabu Technical Institute igego some abana nade kuru chikosi chinyinge. Chikosi echi igachire chia magoko. Kose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochimotu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora no negasi bagokoresa obwangu mwibori onde bwensi ototegererete tobase gotiga omwana ngabere siko ngoko bachibesa nchiyo ese institution yaito gose school yaito okoreta omwana oyo tomoapuraere tomobeke ase serikali aeguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aeguchibesa kurwa ase serikali ese motokoruka help aeguchibesa chia CDF igo omwana oyo ekera iruchibesa ichonsi igemineti ng'a igagosoma bosa tobaise gotiga omwana oisiko ekiagera ng'a tobwatie besa morete nabo tokobwaterana omwana oyo anyora masomo achigwekonya nanda achikubakonya.
Intake January 2026 nigo egenderete ilikirero bwenyori baga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asubare Kisii Ikonge angeno muchoke brego asamange bakiresimi inoti isano na ibere inoti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere eyemo isano na isano nemo inye inoti isano na ibere isano na ibere inye isato ibere inoti isano boigo inoti isano na ibere isano isato inye ibere isano nemo kusoma taliri ase website www.burabu.tti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute Technical Skills for Development.
Margo vengia yeri tukeriga ya Jumanne mwancho murigire yandansia sore so weteri ogeriga korona kanyora chivichechiga karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragova leta aliane Matildah na Obaigwa veni nyawoke akoretera iga senchira yebe manyere karibu sana Chinsa mocha YouTube na Obaigwa Facebook mo ase mo sagotonyoro na Getembe Television na asentunda entangane kigima university manyakanete buna National Intelligence and Research University yotoka Chinsa mocha Loresho ime yomocho Nairobi nigobono yanyalire kubeka osaborokiwa abatangane kigima banyalire kubekerwa chiguto ase university yega yabire igekoena na amegerio igoro yogokora obutuki osamagana intelligence nekirenga no gukora na bwigogokeya okubura komorembe aiga sense ya Kenya mangana insecurity nekirabono moyego yonyara kotenenero gose mugeni bwesiko asomo yegoyo arenge omurayi wense musike William Ruto nekiratabire enenchire yamo ense ya Kenya gendete ko yarigania eliyo gukora ebikorwa byokubura ko morembe asichinsemo osichinsinyo ime yense.
If I had the opportunity to choose a valedictor for this class, the choice would be the same. he has acquitted himself and this class very well. However, he reminded us that this institution must focus on what has been said: African solutions for African problems. But I want to challenge this university to go beyond, so that progressively we can change from African solutions to African problems to a new phrase of African solutions to national and global problems. Because indeed, we have the capacity to achieve it. The theme of this graduation, preparing strategic leaders for a complex world, aptly captures the realities of security challenges confronting Africa and the wider world. The African peace and security architecture, which calls for an enhanced intelligence sharing, coordination, and cooperation across member states. Key to this approach is proactiveness in addressing a complex security threats that have consistently held back progress in our continent.
Mwancho murigire hotigana nayo mokonye bumrai wense moske kithure kindiki nigonere a umuyigo yomo hasichinse mocha mayo eyo gotoka me county ya Nakuru kago kwana chinga kecho nigobono anyara gose serikali yanyare kubatare na bwo kubainyora abakwa ba endani eyo yanyare twateka asichinse mecho cha mayo eyo yatigete abantu betane 50 nomo basiretie amagimabo nechinga kecho nigo abora buna bali babwate chindemero chabo bono mbanyore chitaito did gose nigo banyara kwegwa chitaito did asomo yegoyo nabo igo ase bali bamenyete arora sinchira yo komboa nigo bono bararigerigwe obo menyo nechinga kecho nigo nyara gukwanira amagendero kuwa muno himiye county yo ya Nakuru.
Sinoma nimbwekse simbwekse wacha nione mbwekse, wacha maimayo mbwekse. Bas, asante sana. Wacha kwanza nichukue nafasi hii niseme ya kwamba tumefurahi kufika hapa. Tumefika hapa kwa sababu kuna mkasa ambaye ulipatikana, na ule mkasa tukapoteza watu wetu, na leo tumekuja hapa kwa sababu ya waathiriwa. Tunaendelea kusema pole kwa wale ambao walipata hiyo mkasa, na tuko hapa kwa sababu tungetaka kuhakikisha kwamba tumesaidia wale ambao walipata mkasa kupata mahali pa kuishi. Na nimesikia iko group mbili hapa. Kuna wale ambao walikuwa wamejenga na nyumba zao zikachukuliwa na maji, na wengine walikuwa wamekodisha. Sasa vile nimefika hapa, wale wote ambao walikuwa wamejenga nyumba zikachukuliwa na maji watapata ardhi, na wale wote pia walikuwa wamekodisha, pia hao tutawatafutia makao. Na nataka niseme ya kwamba maneno ya land compensation, ile ardhi imepatikana. Wale ambao walikuwa wamejenga watapewa ardhi leo. Tutatoka hapa na title deed. Na wale
na gutigana nayo korwa sensemo yebigambiro ekirobone kigambiro kenene kya High Court meyense ya Kenya kerigetie kolika abana chevina 20 niko bono abaria bagendete kurigia mabagayo abo bare emia yemo bono bagenderete kunengigwa ne bateneneire ne kiombe kirigia Judicial Service Commission na seritukoria rero higati abo banyara ko bakwireneria amaborio na narariari barabe baokora ile kone kibuna ibigambiro imense ya Kenya byanyarire okoria buya nekirenga gyo kulika abaige 20 no gukura na kuguswania ebina ebinge ebyo bire ase bigambiro ime yense.
About your achievements, your skills, your knowledge, and how you want to bring it all for the benefit of the position of the High Court that you have applied. We also want to hear from you what vision you have for the High Court and the challenges that you know the High Court is encountering. You know the challenges because you are part and parcel of the judiciary. You are a chief magistrate. So we particularly want to hear what innovations are you going to bring to help us deal with those challenges, and you have 5 minutes.
Thank you, my lady, for having me. And with your permission, I would like to start with my vision for the judiciary, or for the High Court, which I seek to join. I have a vision of a High Court that will be responsive to the needs of the people, a High Court that will be efficient and also independent, a strong institution which is independent, in line with the Chief Justice's vision of social transformation through access to justice.
How do you deal with criticism from stakeholders?
Thank you, Commissioner. I wish to state that I take it positively, because that builds me in whatever that I'm doing.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm able to analyze what caused such criticism and what remedies I can put in place. And of course, from time to time, I apply emotional intelligence, which of course makes me understand those I'm dealing with. I understand myself and the circumstances.
All right. What are some of the strategies you'd put in place while leading the millennials and
mwancho murigiria gutigana nayo ni kubono chi serikali ao echochire inse yobomo bwe chinse gose United Nations bono chenyari kuligia chinjira chugukinia nabo yokubika monchorerio ase sector yobutari ase gikaro iki kyaberege kugendera ime yomocho Nairobi ase amagacho a KICC nigo bono mwaziri omonene Musalia Mudavadi anyara gukwanira unanonyense inchira ense ya Kenya iranyale gukinia nabo yokubika monchorerio konye sekta yobutari iri kugendera kubiko bwa matobuya nabo igo kugendereria ense enyene.
Among nations represented here today has been inspiring. We have seen how innovation, policy coherence, and resilience, investing in resilience, crisis response, data-driven defense, and regional cooperation can transform vulnerability into opportunity. As we come to a close of this 4th Global Tourism Resilience today, the conference and expo, I urge each one of us to prioritize young entrepreneurs, women-led enterprises, and small businesses. Here, 3 key commitments come to mind. 1, the need to mainstream resilience into every tourism policy and investment decision. 2, the imperative of accelerating climate action within the tourism sector. And 3, to strengthen global partnerships that will enable shared learning and coordinated responses to crisis. For Kenya, we are ready and committed to continue working with all partners of tourism, resilience organizations, governments, academia, and the private sector to advance a tourism sector that is sustainable, inclusive, and future-ready.
Mwancho murigiria na omubunge okiaru Muskendi Ndinyoro nigobono agenderete gotene na bukongo na bwigo kugikiria serikali ase gitambukiro gyokonia chishare cha Safaricom gochase e company eri ya Vodacom na kaukwana nigobono anyare kwerabuna engane yeiga gose ekine gitambukiro kitanyare gokonya abakenya bari babiri bagotumeka Safaricom ase myaka emenge na bwigo nigobono agoseriri buna serikali tego chigotugutera ari gitambukiro ekyo nigobono abakenya banyene baranyare manya obumaene kurase company ya Vodacom asatebire nabakwenana chinamba erinde ebirengere binyare gusangwa asegati ya Kenya na bwigo ne company yo ekoneri wachisha cha Safaricom.
Sold a narrative to Kenyans, a self-interested narrative, that the Safaricom share price at 34 shillings was being traded at an unimaginary premium. As late as last Friday, the share of Safaricom in the Nairobi Securities Exchange actually crossed the 34 shillings mark. So we are calling upon those people in government who are auctioning our assets for a song. A time has come when the markets themselves have betrayed you. The markets that you are hedging your narrative on is already past your transaction price. And therefore it is now time that Kenya halts and suspends the sale of Safaricom shares to Vodacom immediately, because Kenyans are already buying those shares at a cheaper price in the market. And because we've been seeing those in government just dumping and they don't want to take responsibility to give credible feedback to Kenyans in terms of this transaction, I want to tell them this. We are giving you time to respond to issues that Kenyans are raising. And if people who are charged in negotiating for Kenyans will still continue to talk on behalf of the buyers, I am giving them this ultimatum today, that I am going to give Kenyans the contact of the directors of Vodacom so that Kenyans can engage them directly on behalf of their 100 shares.
Mwancho murigirire nigobono ekiombe kimanyikanite buna Kenya National Carbon Registry bono kianyarire kubekwamo elio kwene kibuna kianyarire kumolekera na bwego kolenga amalioki a carbon ya kurase chi ebiwanda au chi factory au ime yensi ya Kenya aso asembeo ayo gusalia rire na ekiombe kyo bono nigokira chi ekoligerere gose kwene kiabuna kire company yanyarire kweli kya century ndonge na bwego gokeya elio gokeya emechando yegutu yaletwa nogo nchoreria okwelire muwaziri bw'ebintu bitonchekanaine omuske Deborah Barasa nigobono anyara kwene kiengane yo na gotabuna ensi ya Kenya nigo eligetie kulinda liroba ebimeli au na bwigo kwene kibuna nigo embeo abantu bakoyana ere eyenge njokose ere buyeto bwati muchandondo bwensi.
It is a landmark achievement in Kenya's climate governance framework and a significant step in strengthening our participation in the international carbon markets. Today's event underscores the government of Kenya's commitment to establishing transparent, credible, and accountable systems that enable our country to fully harness opportunities presented under Article 6 of the Paris Agreement while safeguarding national interests and advancing sustainable development. As the saying goes, you cannot manage what you can't measure. For decades, the world admired Kenya's breathtaking landscapes. Alone, they saw lush forests, our sprawling savanna and grasslands, our innovative geothermal fields, and our coastal mangroves as beautiful and passive.
The National Environment Management Authority derives its mandate, as we all know, on this particular issue from the Environment Management and Coordination Act, CAP 387, and also the Climate Change Act, CAP 387A. These legal and policy frameworks assign NEMA the responsibility of serving as Kenya's designated national authority, the DNA. Again, when we were doing science, you know, DNA was a totally different thing. But now we are talking about the designated national authority, not the scientific one, for carbon markets as well as hosting and administering the National Carbon Registry. Therefore, my board affirms its full commitment.
Mbemana sana mwancho murigere nchenkruko Matildah Obaigwa veni nyaboke korwase ensemo yebimanyiririo wika ritukori yankyo gendera utigara eme ya Getembe Television kuba mono tobusogoske kyagera onkorogonere makopi yongo swabali asembeo asumorobilio obwe kirano korwase ensemo yechibicha nere Mike Wills okoletera anamoliogia senchera engikirano kimagendera kubwatia emirobilio ya Getembe TV wika amatukonsi.
Burabu Technical Training Institute iskuru jobo bundi yijesemi chekerero na magendero bakwili ya chisemo asinsemo ya Computing and Informatics Department mbabuate ICT Computer Programming Cyber Security buiko Digital Animation and Media asinsemo ya Building and Civil Engineering Department mbabuate Plumbing Building Technology asinsemo ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department mbabuate Electrical Engineering Power Option Electronics Obaigwa Telecommunication asensomo ya Institutional Management Department Nkurubari Fashion Design and Clothing Technology Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy ensomo ya Health Science Department mbabuate Health Records IT na Community Health asensomo ya Business Studies mbabuate Human Resource Business Management na Supply Chain.
Inchesa Matildah Dr. Were Mumanyi, the principal Warabu Technical Training Institute. Warabu Technical Training Institute igere Nyamira County, Kebirigo Market. Warabu Technical Institute igeko some abana nade koru chikosi nyinge. Chikosi echi igachire chia magoko kose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochimotu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora no niga asi bagokore sobwangu muibori onde bwensi ototegererete tobase gotiga omwana ngabere isiko ngoko bachibesa nchiyo ese institution yaito gose school yaito okorete omwana oyo tomoapuraire tomobeke ase serikali aeguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aeguchibesa kurwa ase serikali ese ensemo tokoruka help aeguchibesa chia CDF igo omwana oyo ekera iruchibesa ichonsi igemineti ng'a igagosoma bosa tobaise gotiga omwana oyo isiko ekiagera ng'a tobwatie ebesa morete nabo tokobwaterana omwana oyo anyora amasomo achigwekonya nanda achikubakonya.
Intake January 2026 nigo egenderete ilikirero bwenyori baga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asubare Kisii Ikonge angeno muchoke brego asamange bakiresimi inuti isano na ibere inuti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere eyemo isano na isano nemo inye inuti isano na ibere isano na ibere inye isato ibere inuti isano Obaigwa inuti isano na ibere isano isato inye ibere isano nemo kusoma tarire ase website www.burabu.tti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute Technical Skills for Development.